Hello, I'm here with Roddy McDonald, the founder and managing director of Water for Health. We're going to talk about vegetarian protein powders. We've got a selection here. But first of all, Roddy, I want to ask, in a sort of a typical Western diet, if you like, I hear that we are eating maybe too much animal protein. So if that is the case, how can we move away from the animal protein and incorporate more vegetarian friendly protein?
Yeah, I think it's true to say, Karen, that generally there is far too much animal protein consumed, and it would significantly help a lot of people's health if they were to move away from consuming so much animal protein and move towards more vegetarian sources of protein. It is fair to say that some people seem to need more protein than others. But there are now increasingly good sources of vegetable protein that people can incorporate into their diet, which would be a great way for people to be able to reduce their consumption of proteins which are not so good for you and move to ones which are going to have a much more beneficial impact upon their health.
Okay, can you tell us a little bit about what you've got here and why these, obviously you've done your research, you've looked into this, so why have these vegetarian and vegan friendly proteins stood out to you?
Yeah, increasingly you're finding blends coming onto the market, and we have focused on very much trying to get products that have got, I would say, life to them. We have three particular blends that we distribute of vegetarian proteins, which are suitable both for vegetarians and for vegans. There is no animal products in them at all, but they are blends of for instance, this one here would be a blend of pea protein, rice bran protein, spirulina, and alfalfa protein. But this particular product by Vibrant Health, Pure Green Protein, has got 2 or 3 free amino acids added to it from vegetable based, to try and get as near as possible to the amino acid profile of human muscle. So that has been the goal with this one, and it's available in 4 different flavors, including chocolate. So that's that. Whereas this one here is actually from pumpkin seed. Now, pumpkin seed has got many benefits, but this product here is just defatted pumpkin seeds, which has got a very high protein content in it. So, for instance, a 15 gram scoop of this will give you nearly 10 grams of protein. So, in other words, it would give you nearly 15 to 20% of your day's requirement of protein from a scoop of that. Wow. So it is very beneficial. Whereas this one here is again combinations of pea protein, flax protein, pumpkin seed protein, spirulina, mixed with green tea extract, and inulin, which is a prebiotic. It's all blended for synergistic effect. But the interesting thing about these is you're not just getting the protein, you're also getting a width of other nutrients. Take spirulina alone, it's got a huge profile of other nutrients in that are beneficial to the person's body. So it is a great way of adding vegetable-based protein into people's diet. They can take that, they can add it into a smoothie, they can sprinkle on their food, whatever way it's easiest for them to take it. And it's a great way of moving away from too much animal protein towards more vegetable sources which are going to be more beneficial for them, or alternatively for people that are vegetarian and vegan, it's a great way to get more protein into their diets in a readily available form.
And just to summarise, they sound fantastic and easy to put in your smoothie, which I love. I have a smoothie every day. In a nutshell, why do we even need protein?
Well, I think we need protein. It's a fundamental part of our body structure, etc. We need for so many functions in terms of our muscles, etc. We do need, but I would stress the amount we need is going to vary a lot from person to person. And you will know in terms of your energy levels, particularly whether you need more protein or not.
Okay, that's fantastic. Well, thanks again, Roddy McDonald here from Water for Health.